fucking name.
Shit! Why? I'll kill that bitch.
I guess I owe you one.
Don't overrate yourself. Mom had it coming.
You still saved my ass. You gonna be okay?
Hell yes. I'll be out of here in a week.
Take care of yourself, okay?
You too. And Maggie. Watch your step.
What's this? This little beaver's... You okay? Was that your dad out there?
Hey, Lace, where you been? I figured they put you away.
Nah, Hammer dropped the charges. I got scared.
Oh. I got a good setup here.
Yeah. You coming in with us?
Sounds good to me.
All right, class, let's come to order. Translated means let each man do what he wants.
Oh. Yeah, you what? Hit me? Come on, chicken ass. I'm warning you, Harold! You can you? Or you lose your job.
You, Mr. Clutch? Shut up, punk! Hey, now, we're not gonna have any more of that crap today. Okay, Mr. Clutch. You can go on now. Let's hear about that, Lacey Fair stuff.
Yes. Thank you, ladies. Thank you.
There he is.
Doors. Huh? Hey, baby. Oh, I didn't know you were out.
Later on, I'll take you down to the club. We gotta find you a good-looking stud.
Jealous?
What's it to you?
The new one's a real fox, ain't she?
Yeah. Why don't you take her off my back? Who says hands off, dear?
I don't believe it. Hook is a liar.
Yeah, well, just think what you like. Hi, Maggie. Hi, Meg. Hi.
Maggie, maybe this wasn't such a good idea.
Yeah, I think we ought to go back.
Hold it right there, Whitey. Frisk 'em. Hi, Grace. Where have you been? We've missed you. Everybody, I got just one thing I want to say. Those lousy murderers killed my Dom. And each one of you got... All this garbage.
Leave the food alone. Yeah, girls, looks like you're back for more, huh?
Hey, Lace, you hear something?
Yes.